Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we have a review and install of the rear blackout panel with a smoked finish fitting your 15 and newer Dodge Challenger models. This is perfect for the Challenger owner who wants a tinted appearance to their taillights, but wants to save some time and money over a full taillight replacement. This three-piece kit provides a more aggressive appearance to your factory taillights, giving the back of your Challenger some sleek and stealthy styling. This blackout panel features a smoked appearance covering that Dodge logo in the center, but still allows your taillights to shine through. It features automotive-grade acrylic construction with a nice smoked finish and installs with dual lock strips, making install a breeze. So as far as price goes, this blackout panel comes in at around $200, making it a more simple and budget-friendly solution to replacing those factory taillights. And as far as the install goes, I'm giving this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It does feature a direct stick-on installation with no tools required that can be done in as little as 15 minutes. So with that said, let's check out that install. All right, so the first step in our install, you want to grab one of the included alcohol prep pads and wipe around the area in the center where the double-sided adhesive will attach. You just want to make sure you have a nice clean surface. There's no dust or debris that will prevent it from having a nice good seal against the plastic. And now that the surface is clean and dry, we can peel off the protective layer on your double-sided adhesive. Just go ahead and peel it back on all 4 of these corners. And now what we're gonna do is line it up. Make sure that we have the proper location. We have that indent up top and it's more straight on the bottom. Line it up to both taillights. And press it down in place. Now we can attach the outside edge pieces over each of your taillights. There should be 2 rubber pieces up top, and these are side specific, so make sure you have the proper side. Then we're gonna line it up and press it in place. Now we can repeat that on the other side. Now for this bottom lip, it may help to press down on the bumper as you press it in place so it seats fully over your taillight. All right, so that is gonna do it for the review and install of this blackout panel. And remember, for all things Challenger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.